वेट, मैथ से भी जेबीएमएस मिल सकता है? यस, एंड ऑलमोस्ट नो बडी टॉक्स अबाउट इट. Most of the students think JBIMS is only through CET या फिर CAT के toppers, but there's a small window through which even math scores are considered for JBIMS. JBIMS has a small number of all India seats, around 18 seats, and these seats accept scores from exams like CAT, CMAT, GMAT, ATMA, and yes, MAT, which means MAT can technically become a pathway to JBIMS, but this is where most of the students get it wrong. Just because math is accepted doesn't mean it's easy. These seats are very limited. सिर्फ 99.99 प्लस वालों को ही मिलेगा JBMS. It's highly competitive and usually taken by strong all India candidates. So MAT is not a shortcut, it's an opportunity. Now, the most important strategy if you're giving MAT for Maharashtra admissions, focus on February and May attempt because these attempts are closest to cap rounds and your scores are fresh and valid for the admission cycle. Of course, they accept your September and December score of the previous year as well, but just try your max for great scores in February and May. Now common doubt, paper based day या फिर computer based day MAT exam. So I would suggest you should go for CBT simply because almost all the major exams in India are computer based. CET, CAT, NMAT, SNAP, everything. So CBT MAT exam gives you exam environment, practice, screen familiarity, and better transition to other exams. So, final takeaway, guys, don't ignore math. For many students, it can become a smart backup plus extra opportunity even for top colleges like JBMS. And यार चलो JB नहीं भी मिला तो एटलीस्ट प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है. you'd be getting faster. ऐसे 100 एग्जाम्स दोगे तो दैट्स व्हेन यू गेट बेटर एट इट, कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, डर कम लगता है during the D-Day, and you're better equipped on the final day of the exam that you're targeting. But remember, guys, it's not about finding shortcuts, it's about using every possible opportunity smartly. If you want some more MBA insights, please subscribe to our channel because many students miss such opportunities just because nobody tells them about this. Thank you so much, guys. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button.